For the given grammar, E tends to E plus T or T tends to T star F or F tends to ID or E. So for this given grammar, we are created a parse tree. To creating a parse tree, what are the things we are followed up? So here first method is what we need to eliminate the left recursion. How? If I am having the A tends to A alpha or beta, it means what? The leftmost symbol of an RHS is same as an LHS. That time it may go for infinite state. So because of that, we are get the language like this: beta alpha star. The beta alpha star means what? The alpha star may go for infinite. So to avoid that, what we are having, A tends to beta A dash, where A dash is what? See, alpha star is replaced with what? A dash, where A dash is what? Epsilon or alpha A. Okay, it means what? It may go for alpha may be 0 or many number of a time by considering this. See, this thing we already studied in the previous classes. So the same method we are applying for this particular grammar, and we are eliminate what? Left recursion. Okay, next is what? For the same, we need to understand the left factoring. The left factoring is nothing but what? For a single production, if I am having many options, so that time it may go for what? Confusion state. So which options we need to consider? It's also called as non-deterministic. To avoid that, what we are considered? A tends to alpha A dash, and where A dash is nothing but beta 1 or beta 2 or beta 3. So this is we understood correctly. Okay, but for this particular case, there is no multiple options. Even if I have multiple options, they are given with what? Epsilons. So no need to go with what? Left factoring. Just we went with what? Eliminating the left recursion. Okay, next, after that we need to calculate what? The third step is what? We need to calculate first and follow. So this thing also we studied for this particular grammar. Okay, so now once we understood first and follow, we need to create what? Parse table. So here what happens by creating a parse table? See, this is what? All non-terminals, these are terminals. Depends on the production, we need to get the thing. Why we need to have E tends to E of ID? We are given with E tends to E dash. It means what? We are having with what? E here. The first of E is what? ID or ID and open brace. There we need to write what? E tends to TE dash. So that particular case we written E tends to TE dash, E tends to TE dash. And also what happens here? If I am given with what? Sometimes they are given with what? Epsilon symbol. So here it will comes one more is what? Here epsilon, and here it is epsilon. So that time what happens? If we are having given with an epsilon symbol, that time E dash plus TE dash will be on plus, and E dash and epsilon will be on dollar. That is follow of what? Follow of E dash. The follow of E dash is what? Dollar and closing brace. On this we are having E dash on epsilon. It means what? Here just see this. E dash on plus we are having E dash plus T E dash, and closing brace and dollar is given with what? E dash on epsilon. If their first of E dash is epsilon, means we need to go with what? Follow of E dash. The follow of E dash is what? Closing brace and dollar, where we need to write E dash tends to epsilon and E dash tends to epsilon. See, this we already went through it. So here is the case. If I want to write what? First of A is what? Actually alpha and epsilon, where we need to write this particular production. A tends to alpha on alpha's column, where we need to write A tends to epsilon. We need to write follow of A. We need to write this A tends to alpha epsilon in follow of A. Okay, so this we already studied. Depends on this, we already created with what? We went with what? Stack implementation. Okay, they are given with what? Input symbol, stack and production. Depends on that, we are created what? Parse tree. So this is very important concepts we are given with the grammar. So this given grammar is what? LL1. So we are going to understand if the given grammar is, second example, if I consider like this. Okay, S tends to I, if else then statement, if else then statement, else statement, or A, it tends to B. So we already went with what? Eliminating the left recursion. In previous class we did with that. Okay, see here which are the common things? This up to here and up to here. So One more we are given with what? S dash, to remove and eliminate, to eliminate and whatever left recursion. So they are given with what? S dash, where S dash tends to what? Is there anything is here? No, I need to use epsilon or es. Okay, and where we need to write a will be in this particular case only. So here no left factoring. Okay, now if you are given with what, we need to calculate what? First and follow for the given grammar. Okay, we are calculated the first and follow. Apply the previous functions, rules and regulations and calculate the first and follow and check out whether it is correct or not. Okay, so once it is done, here one more is what? S of I, and one more is what? A. I forgot to written. The first of S is what? I or A. Okay, let's go through it. Then we need to draw the parts table, and this parts table, while drawing it, here in a single column rows we are having multiple productions. So if we get this type of a thing, then this is not a LL1 grammar. Okay, see, whenever they are given the grammar, all the grammars will not be an LL1, or we are not create a parts table for those. So by seeing that, we need to consider if the column or for this particular non-terminal, if we are having multiple production, then it is not a LL1 grammar. So try to solve the same for this particular grammar. Check whether this given grammar is LL1 grammar or not. S tends to capital C, capital C, capital C tends to small c, capital C or T. Check out this given grammar is LL1 or not. Okay, thank you.